Hello children, in this video we will discuss conditionals. So there are mainly four types of conditional: zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. There are four main types of if sentences, and if sentences are also called conditional in English and often called conditional sentences. These sentences are in two halves and such as can, will, may, might, could and would. This is called main clause. So a conditional will contain two part of sentence. A conditional will contain two part of sentence. First will be if clause and second will be main clause. Okay. So first one is zero type conditional. Type 0 conditional sentences. If clause plus main clause. The structure will be simple present simple present tense plus simple present tense. If you run fast, you get tired soon. So this is general truth or scientific truth consists of zero conditionals. Let's come to the second type, type 1, and this is also called probable conditional sentences. This will also consist if clause and main clause, and the structure will be simple present plus shall, will, can, may plus be1. If you run fast, you will win the medal. This is probable conditional. Type 2 is called improbable conditional sentences. Improbable मतलब जो कि ना हो पाए. This will also consist if clauses and main clauses. The structure will be past simple plus should, would, could, might plus v1. If you ran fast, you would win the medal. दौड़ता तब ना जीतता, तो ये तो improbable हो गया बेटा. Type 3, unfulfilled conditional sentences. Past perfect plus should, would, could, might plus have v3. If you had run fast, in detail. Look here. The first one, zero conditionals. If clause, main clause. If plus present simple and present simple. If I am late for a school, my teacher gets angry. So I am late for a school, my teacher gets angry. If I oversleep, I miss the bus. If I miss the bus, I am late for a school. If I am late for a school, my teacher gets angry. So this is zero conditionals. Now come to first conditional. If clause plus main clause, the structure will be the pattern will be if plus present tense, will, can, may, must plus verb. If I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. If I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. If I go to Buckingham Place, I can take a photo of the Royal Guard. If I go to London, I must look right before crossing the street. So this was first conditional. Let's move to the second conditional, that is also called improbable conditional. So the pattern will be if plus past simple plus would, could, might plus verb. If I were an astronaut, I would travel the spaceship. If I were an astronaut, I will travel in a spaceship. If I travel in a spaceship, I would go to the Mars. If I went to the Mars, I would meet the Martian. Look, यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. Mars पे पहुँच गया and he is meeting with an alien there, a Martian, and he is saying nice to meet you. If I met a Martian, I would understand him. I won't understand him because his language was different ना, तो वो पहुँचेगा Martian से मिलेगा. Probable conditional. Let's move toward the last type of conditional, that is third conditional. If clause, main clause. The pattern will be if plus past perfect tense would, could, might, have, and past participle. If I had studied hard, I would have passed my exam. If you had studied hard, you would not have failed your exam. Look, mama is scolding the child that if you had studied hard, you wouldn't have failed your exam. Now, if you had passed your exam, you could have gone to the beach. If you had passed your exam, you could have gone to the beach. Now the child is thinking, if I had gone to the beach, I would have made sand castles. So, we have discussed conditionals in this video. Thank you.